I'm Chinmaya. I'm a textile designer, artist and educator. I'm very happy to be working with Third School of Design. I would like to share a few things about my design journey. Hope it's helpful to you guys. I was a person who was very much interested in art and creativity right from my childhood. And this went on into my school days. So after finishing school, when it came for me to choose a college, both me and my parents felt that I should choose a field where I can still continue pursuing my talent and end up in a profession where I can take my passion forward. So after a little bit of research, we found out that design was my best option. I joined NID and I did my undergraduation in textile design. So while I was learning, I realized that design education was very different from other fields. There was this immense opportunity to explore and do a lot of hands-on training, as well as a lot of importance was given to extensive research. This not only helps you to understand what you're learning better, this also gives you a huge advantage when you step into the industry and you have to execute what you're learning. I'm a person who is very interested in trying out different things, and I did this in my career as well. I have taken up projects which are very different from each other, and each time my approach towards them, which includes extensive research as well as lot of hands-on exploration, has helped me come up with better outcomes. This has helped me to develop as a designer as well as a person. This is something I really like about Third School of Design. The students are not just given amazing lecturers and mentors who educate them about the technicalities and the principles of design. They are also given the facilities and the platform to explore and understand what they are learning better. This gives them the holistic knowledge of what they are learning, as well as a huge advantage for them when they step into the industry and they have to practice what they have studied. Third School of Design follows a holistic and hands-on approach towards design education. The design education requires the students to be very familiar with materials, be able to conceive, explore and execute concepts, and also build prototypes. Therefore, it is essential for them to have the facilities and equipments required to support this form of education. Here at Third School of Design, we provide the students with classrooms, labs and workshops which are well equipped and give the students the opportunity to do hands-on exploration and understand their learning material better. This also gives them the room for doing innovations, which is a huge part of design education. Textile design is a field where the students need to do a lot of hands-on training as well as get very familiar with material explorations. The textile department here consists of a weaving lab which is equipped with hand looms and an extensive yarn library, where the students get to learn different kinds of weaving techniques and also understand the construction of cloth, which is a very important part of textile design. Then comes the dyeing lab, which is both safe and well equipped, where the students can learn different kinds of dyeing techniques which are used in the industry. They also get to learn about the technicalities of different kinds of dyes. They also get to experiment and explore a lot of traditional dyeing methods like ikat, bandhani, shibori, etc. The printing lab is equipped in such a way that it can support both screen and block printing. The students will be taught to create their own prints, convert them into CAD and make them printable, translate them into screens and print the final output on cloth. This gives them the holistic understanding of the printing techniques which happen in the industry. Apart from this, we have a very well equipped state-of-the-art sewing, pattern making and draping labs, where the students will get to make explorations with materials as well as get to make the final product. The labs and facilities in Third School of Design are designed in such a way that each and every student gets the opportunity to work and explore and understand what they are learning better. When it comes to career opportunities, textile is an industry that offers a wide range of job opportunities for designers. They can choose from segments like fashion and apparel, home furnishing, interiors, print and surface design, things related to the craft sector, automotive, textile and many more. When it comes to fashion and apparel, there are various segments such as menswear, women's wear, sportswear, bridal, western wear, ethnic wear, styling, costume design, etc. They can find jobs with top designers such as Manish Malhotra, Sachi Mukherjee, Neeta Lola and many more. Or they can choose to work with retail firms in India such as Reliance Trends, Pantaloons, Westside, etc. They can also work for foreign brands that have established their branches in India like Zara and Veramoda. Then comes the home furnishing and interior industry, where there are various segments such as living, bed and bath, kitchen and table, rugs, soft furnishing, etc. Based on their skill set and expertise, the graduates can choose the department that they want to work with. They can work with export houses such as Bombay Dyeing, Wellspun, etc. Or they can work for brands that cater to home furnishing needs such as Atmosphere, Good Earth also. When it comes to the print and surface making sector, the designers who are very much interested in creating visuals have a huge advantage in this industry, and they can create visuals not only for textile and accessories, they can also create visuals that form the surfaces of appliances and much more. When it comes to the craft sector, designers can work with artisans, where the skill of the artisans along with the industrial and technical knowledge and trend understanding of the designer can help build sustainable design practices which are advantageous for both the designers as well as for the livelihood of the craftspeople. Designers who want to work with the automotive industry can take up automotive textile design, where they will be working on the textile related aspects of the interiors of vehicles. Apart from this, designers can also start their own ventures and become entrepreneurs. Design is a field that not only gives you exciting job opportunities and amazing remuneration, it also gives you the chance to contribute to the betterment of society. Happy to be working with this venture, and I am very interested in meeting all of you. All the very best. Hope we meet soon.